today's tip video, I'm going to show how to stop early on the Phoenix project. I currently have the Phoenix project open and ready to run. Let's first see how it looks like when it is fully executed. Okay, now this project is complete. Let's go to the Results tab and find a worksheet called Overall. From here, we can see that the return code is 1, meaning the project is fully executed. Let's find another worksheet called Core Status. And we scroll down to find the total number of the iteration is 24. Sometimes, especially when we have a big project, after hitting the Execute button, we want to change some settings. In that use case, we want to stop the execution and go back to update the settings. Let's see how to do it. Let's run this project again. On this job status window, we just need to right-click and select Stop Early. Now, let's go to the worksheet of Overall again. And we can see that the return code here is 6 instead of 1 that we saw previously. If we go to that core status worksheet, and we can see that the total number of the iteration here is 6 instead of the 24 that we saw previously when the project was fully executed. So it also means that this project was stopped early. Okay, that concludes this video. I hope it is a useful tip for you. See you in the next one.